Another aspect that is often ignored in case competition is the human side, the actual customers, consumers, and stakeholders who will experience your solution. Most teams focus on numbers and strategy, but forget to show they understand the people. I've coached 302 Hascane teams to over 180 podium finishes. The winning teams use personas and customer journeys or product journeys to make their analysis more relatable and their solution more realistic. This is the Tools and Skills Masterclass on personas and customer journeys. Let's learn how to bring the human element into your case. Personas answer the question, who's the customer? Start by gathering information from surveys, industry research, existing personas, or details in the case. The key elements to include are demographics, age, family, location, goals and social styles, motivations, pain points, value based messaging, the channels they use. Give them realistic names that match their cultural context of the case. For example, avoid English names for cases set in India or China. You can and often should create multiple personas for different customer segments, consumers versus customers, or various stakeholders. Choose the type of persona based on the questions you need to answer. Are they goal driven, emotional driven, fictional, or role based? A customer journey maps the steps a persona takes when interacting with a company or product. The typical flow is awareness, consideration, decision, purchase, and retention. And you need to include things such as touch points, where the customer interacts with the company, emotions at each step, the pain points, the opportunities for improvement. Example with Clara is a seasoned consultant's hiring journey from seeing a posting, engaging with the application process, feeling enabled and rewarded, to the interview where rapport is built. You can also map the product journey from the company's perspective. The key is to show the judges how your solution improves the journey, reduces the pain points, and increases satisfaction. There you have it. How to use personas and customer and product journeys to bring the human side into your case and make your solution more relatable and effective. This is part of the Skills Masterclass to complement the main 7-step case solution series. Drop a comment. You usually create personas and map journeys in your cases, or do they get left out? Subscribe and hit the bell for the rest of the Tools and Skills series. Cam Welsh out. Go make your solutions more human centered and judge friendly.